Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the card and the event is active. Now act. Open Mobile Legends and immediately navigate to Events, then the Sign-In panel. Locate the specific sign-in calendar for the current event and identify the missed day you want to recover. Make sure you have enough diamonds if the card requires top-up, and check inventory space for the reward. Once done, tap the missed day to bring up the recovery option so you can apply the late sign-in card. With the missed day selected, choose Recover or Use Card to apply the late sign-in card. The UI shows the cost and which card or diamonds will be consumed. Pay attention so you don't lose resources by accident. Confirm the reward preview so you know what to expect: skin shards, battle points, or fragments. Tap Confirm and let the system process. Wait for the animation to complete. Then open your inventory or mailbox to verify. After the card is used, claim the reward immediately from mailbox or inventory to avoid expiration. If you have multiple missed days and multiple cards, repeat the same procedure until cards run out or the event ends. Make sure to record which days you recovered to avoid wasting cards. If the recovery fails or reward doesn't appear, log out and back in, clear game cache, check server status, and only then submit a support ticket with screenshots and timestamps for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.